What's up guys, Crate here, and with the new iPhone 12s coming out tomorrow, there's obviously going to be some new accessories coming from Apple. The one I want to talk about today is the new Magsafe charger. Yeah, this one. Alright, so this is going to be a pretty simple unboxing. I mean, it's just a charger, right? It's nothing special. And you pretty much just open it up. Inside, it's going to be this charger. And then you have pamphlets, stickers. Don't need those, don't read those. And so, inside this incredibly packaged, folded out design is gonna be this charger. So, this looks like a little puck. I feel like people said it was gonna be bigger, or it looks bigger than it should, but this is actually, in my opinion, a pretty good size. It's smaller than the wireless charger I have by my bed. And it leads to, after all that, a USB-C cable. On the back of this says it should be plugged into the 20-watt charger from Apple, I'm assuming. Alright, so the iPhone 12 doesn't come with a power adapter in the box. Obviously they're doing these for reasons. Like I've said, I'm not in agreement, but the problem is the other charger that they want to promote, this wireless charger right here, also does not come with a brick. So they say that most people have these power adapters lying in their house. Well, most people don't. Most people have type A USB power adapters. So the only way you have a USB type C power adapter is if you have an iPad Pro from 2018 or 2020. These are just iPad Pros, or the iPhone 11 Pros, or you have an iPad regular 8th generation from this year. So all pretty recent things, and not everyone is upgrading from a 2020 device, or currently has all 2020 devices. Alright, so the Magsafe wireless charger retails for $40, and it does not include a power brick. One of these. These things run for about $20, so now you have a $60 wireless charger, and in typical Apple fashion, well, that's pretty expensive. If you go on Amazon, you can buy any kind of Qi wireless charger for less than that. Now I get it, this has the Magsafe, which is going to be a little bit more secure for your phone, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people have tested this. This is my iPhone 11 Pro. It kind of works already on older phones. It's light. Again, that's actually kind of nice. I was actually hoping for a lighter magnetic attachment than a stronger one. I get it, with accessories you might want stronger, but what I'm going to use this for on my nightstand or just on a desk, you don't want something stuck to it too hard, because you want to be able to take it as well and not take too long to get it off. Alright, so back to this. This is a $20 thing, and the funny thing is, if you look at the 18-watt chargers from last year and the year before, if you look on Best Buy is selling those for $29. So this is $20, the older one's $30. Why are people still selling that? Alright, so in this box, pretty simple, it's just the power adapter. There's some paperwork in here, but we don't include that. So this thing looks exactly like the 18-watt one. The only way you know a difference is because this actually says 20-watt on there, and I've actually strained my eyes trying to read the fine print on these power adapters, because I was hoping that they would just use these power adapters from at least the past year with the new iPhones coming out. Now, I'm not super technically savvy on how wireless chargers work, but this is 20 watts, and the power thing here, Magsafe charger, is a 15-watt power thing, so where's the last 5 watts going? Alright, so obviously if you have an older cable and power adapter, you're going to be able to charge your phones. The only issue is that with the new iPhones, they have faster charging, and you're not going to be able to achieve these with the older bricks, so you need these. The kind of main reason that I wanted to make this video is that my friend Kevin the Tech Ninja went to the Apple store and physically bought this Magsafe at the store, and never did they once tell him that he needed to buy this. On top of that, this has USB-C, so it's not like you can assume the average person has this. If I'm coming from an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, it's still gonna be USB type A. Now I get you're gonna have a little bit of modularity being able to buy these things separately, but it's still a little bit annoying for all those people who have these types of cables and want the fastest speed all over their house. Because essentially you have to redo your whole, setup. Now this would have been a little bit more plausible if, you know, the iPhone itself came with a USB to USB-C to USB-C cable, and the iPhones themselves were USB-C. But like I said in my previous video, I don't see Apple doing this, and honestly, if I was them, I'd just get rid of a port and make you have to charge wirelessly. And with NFC in the back of the new iPhone 12s, things like Apple CarPlay could evolve to be wirelessly transmitting data through that NFC port, and therefore be able to get rid of why anyone would really need a cable. All right, now that my rant's over, let me know what you think in the comments down below, if you agree with me or disagree with me, or if Apple should at least have a little bit more communication with people when selling these products. All that being said, I'm really excited for these and all the things that Magsafe can bring for the iPhones. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.